What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making buffalo chicken chili. You can use your Instant Pot, slow cooker, or the stovetop for this recipe. I will provide a description below on how to use all three methods. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using my Instant Pot today, and first you want to take 1 teaspoon of olive oil and then add in 1 cup of chopped onions. Go ahead and give that a good stir. Let those cook for a few minutes until the onions are translucent and fragrant, and add in 3 minced garlic cloves and stir. Next you want to add in 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 pound of skinless chicken breasts, 15.5 ounces of red beans, and 15.5 ounces of black beans. You can use whatever type of beans you wish here. And then 15.5 ounces of diced tomatoes and chilies. And then my homemade chili seasoning. I'll provide a full description below of what's in there. And I like to add in a teaspoon of better than bouillon chicken flavor just to give an additional kick and flavor that's totally optional. And then you're going to pressure cook that for 20 minutes and let the steam release naturally for 10 minutes. And once that 10 minutes is up, remove the chicken from the pot and then shred it. I love to make chicken breasts in the Instant Pot because they shred so easily and the chicken comes out so juicy. Then you're going to return that shredded chicken to the pot along with 1/2 cup of whole corn. I like to use frozen corn, and 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce and 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. So go ahead and adjust those servings to taste. If you like it really spicy, add more buffalo sauce. If you want more ranch, add more ranch. And there you have it, buffalo chicken chili.